Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you salt and coffee will whitening skin tone naturally. This magical remedy works 100% if you do have dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, suntan, any kind of pigmentation, even any kind of darkness in your skin. Salt work by itself and coffee works by itself, but when we combine them together and add the rest of the ingredients, whitening the skin tone and will get you an amazing results from first use. All you need to do is prepare the remedy and apply it, and you will be amazed with the result. It is super effective and super helpful. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of coffee, any kind of ground coffee you do have. Then we need to add on it half teaspoon of sea salt, and if you don't have sea salt, I recommend you try to find it because it works amazingly for skin and it's super effective in so many remedies. So try to find sea salt. If it's impossible for you to find sea salt, you can use natural, any kind of salt you do have. Add half teaspoon, half the quantity of the coffee, and mix the dry ingredients together like so. Then my friends, we need to add around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel that we plant at home. You can use also natural aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half like so. And add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Then my friends, we need natural milk. Add 1 teaspoon of natural milk. Then we need olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use coconut oil or sweet almond oil. All we need to add is few drops of olive oil. Olive oil works in skin whitening and deeply moisturize your skin, and you'll be amazed with the result. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. We need this consistency. Now the remedy is mixed very well together and the salt almost dissolved completely. Make sure that the salt will dissolve. And my friends, the remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin, on any place that you do have dark spots or any place that you do have darkness, underarms and on your hand, on bikini area, on your face, any place that you do have dark spots or dark area, and it will whitening the skin tone naturally, and it's super effective, my friends. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you.